Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to switch input sources on your Samsung TV. Now of course before us we have the Samsung TV. It's the latest TV set that comes with Tizen out of the box. Now Tizen is Samsung's latest operating system and this is what it looks like. So in order to switch input sources, go ahead and get your remote. Now of course it's a standard Samsung remote. Applies to any TV. You're gonna look closely at the remote. You're gonna notice a convenient button here in the upper right that says source. I'll try to show you. There you go. It says source. Now source would be anything that's connected to the TV. Now at the back I have a device connected to the HDMI. Now of course you use the display port or the HDMI ports. So if you connect anything such as a PlayStation, a DV, a digital cable box, a PlayStation, Nintendo, or even things such as your set-top box or your cable systems, you name it. Computers, anything that you connect and you want to switch between them, I'll show you how to do it. So go ahead and once you attach the device, make sure that device is powered, and then you turn it on. Then of course you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna tap. Now we're on the default system, which is the home interface, and if I tap, you'll notice that it says TV there. We're going to move over to HDMI. Now HDMI is connected now. As you can see here, it has one HDMI on this, and of course it's connected. You can always select or just go ahead. You notice you can edit and do the name and so on, but of course you can also add it to the home for quick access. It's up to you, but of course we're just going to go ahead and select. So I'm just going to select the HDMI. Notice it says HDMI 1. There you go. I have a Fire Stick connected, and there it has switched over to the Fire Stick. And of course, if I had multiple HDMIs with multiple devices, I could switch with ease. And of course, that's how you do it on your device. Do hope this was helpful. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Same point until next time. Bye.